Maldives, day one. Traders, Marcello here, founder of the Day Trading Academy. We've arrived to the Maldives. There's my office right over here on the right. And you know, I've always wanted an office where I could just go jump. You know, I don't think this is gonna call them and they pick you up. First full day in the Maldives, absolutely incredible. I'm gonna try to get some footage of the with the drone tomorrow morning. Technically, I don't think you're probably supposed to do it. I didn't ask, so we'll see if we can do that. Overall, it's been pretty good. I just called the car so we can go see the stingray feeding. I also have the GoPro, so we could do that underwater, so you guys can see all the animals. And overall, it's been a pretty good day, relaxing. The internet here is decent. It's not it doesn't completely cut out, which is good. That's what you need for trading, right? You need it to be stable, not necessarily high speed, and so far so good. So I have some positions open long term. I'll probably show you guys those later, and I'm just waiting for the car to arrive to go to that thing with the stingrays. Maldives at night. Day one, Maldives, success, relaxation, sunset, drone getting caught. Tomorrow we're gonna do a fancy lunch on our own sandbank, and then we're gonna launch a drone again in the morning.